Hey beautiful people, today I'm here with Andy and he is kind of taking over this video for me. He has already filmed it. I have no idea what you said, what you did. So basically today, I normally unbox fan slimes, but you guys requested to do a husband unboxes fan slime. So that's what we're doing. So he took the reins. I kind of gave him like the format that I usually do this in, but I helped him through the first one, and then the rest he was on his own. I was in the completely other room. So I'm gonna edit this, and I have no idea.
I mean, like,
what you did.
I'm so hyped up on sugar right now from all the candy, like
from the packages.
Yeah, like thank you.
Thank you.
And whoever had the Haribos, oh my God, you're my favorite.
Okay,
yeah.
So he's gonna be unboxing some of your guys' slime. I do have a slime Instagram, which is My Slime Shack Official. If you want to check it out, I'll link it down below. You could DM me on there if you would like me to review your slime, either on Instagram or YouTube. Please specify which one. And last but not least, before we get started, we have you have to go like this. There we go. Shout out squad of the video. So if you want to be featured in my next shout out squad, all you have to do is click the subscribe button and then turn on the little bell notification next to it and let me know within the first 30 minutes of a new video going up in the comments, and you could be featured. So the earlier you comment on the video, the more likely you are to be featured in the video. So get there early. Are you ready to see what this video turned into?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not very good with slime, but I tried.
Yeah, so
I try to be fair.
Give him a break on his slime playing abilities. I know you guys are even harsh on me with how I play with slime. So he has no idea about slime, ASMR, or any of that. Nope. So let's just get started. This should be pretty entertaining.
All right, over here we have Jelly Alley. Come with nice little candies, and let's see what else they have here. Oh, candy overload. This is my kind of treat right here. All right. So, let's open her up. Oh, we have a little squishy unicorn with like a flame. I don't know what this is, but soft clay. Cool. All right, let's get down to the nitty gritty. If you play HQ, the packaging looks to be pretty great. Now this one right here, I mean, exploded a little bit, a lot of bit, but you know, I understand that happens every once in a while. First one we have the golden ticket. I like the name of that, and I definitely like how it looks. That is quite awesome. Let's see here. Let's see what this one's all about. For some reason, slime sticks to my hand a lot more than Courtney's, so bear with me. I have a little bit of borax here if need be. Oh, it's a little on the sticky end. You know, it's like I said, usually sticks to my hand for some reason. I don't know what's wrong with me. All right. Okay. Got it. So here we have the pancake version of the golden ticket slime. And as you can see, I mean, to the untrained eye, if you didn't know what this was, I mean, it might look a little bit like barf. But, I mean, once you get nice and close, you can see the little gold flakes, and it really makes a difference. I mean, it's pretty nice stuff. So I don't know how to play with slime, so rate my slime playing skills. I don't care, whatever, but I like that. Handprint. I'd probably give this one a solid 5.5 stars. Okay, so for our second slime from the Jelly Alley is gonna be just Peachy, and it's great because I love peaches. Let's see what this one's all about. Ooh, definitely soft. This one might not need anything. That's nice. The texture on it is different. Different from most slimes I've played with. I'm gonna give this one an 8 because it's probably one of the better slimes I've played with, and it feels it's just very stress relieving. Like, just squeeze it through your fingers like that when you're really mad. I'm just kidding, don't do that. And this one is gonna be the pink cream cheese. It's supposed to be scented like fresh strawberries. Oh, this one's gonna need borax. I could just tell. Okay, so it smells amazing. The aroma once you open it, I mean, it's just enough to put you in a happy place. Look, I'll make a little heart right here. Pretty ugly heart. I love this one. It's kind of a shame that the package kind of blew up, but you know, things happen. I say this one's a good 6. I really like that peachy stuff, but this one's second runner up. Okay guys, so for here on our second slime review, we have Cocoa Slimes, and it appears that their logo has changed, and it is pretty awesome, I'd say. So keep an eye out for that logo. It's pretty good stuff looking. So one thing that I will say is, I mean, this is awesome that, you know, came with the candy, and I love candy. Believe that, I love candy. So one thing that I would say is maybe this shouldn't be in there with the Smarties unlabeled. I mean, maybe write borax on there, because in the day and age where people eat Tide Pods, I mean, I don't know. We have an outer space slime, which personally that looks like a lot of fun to play with. We have a Squidward, and I can see why they call it Squidward. It looks like Squidward from SpongeBob's color. It's awesome. And then we have Iditarod. Now this one, I'm looking at it and it looks like it may be a cloud slime of some sorts. They should all be scented, so I can't wait to open them. Packaging is outstanding. I'm gonna open this bad boy first. That's just because I have like a newfound hype with this good cloud slime. Like, I just never really experienced it, and now I know what I was missing. Oh boy, you open that thing and it just smells like freaking vanilla ice cream. Oh, that's delicious smelling. But oh yes, this is delicious. It feels so good in my hands. It really makes me want to visit Alaska. I really do like cloudy slime, so this one I'd probably give it good 8 stars. For sure, 8 stars. Definitely a good buy. Our next one, much anticipated Squidward. Oh wait, maybe it's not sticking. That's a good sign. It's a good sign of good slime. It smells just like cotton candy. Goodness gracious, where are you guys getting these scents from? Where? Look at that. I didn't even need any borax and it's not sticking to my hand. That's definitely gonna get you some points there. So all in all, this slime right here is gonna get a 9-star for me, just because literally needing no borax. I mean, I wouldn't deduct any points from that anyways, but I mean, it's like the perfect slime in its perfect state, and I mean, Squidward color. Like, what else can you want more? It smells great too. Now let's see what this outer space has in store for us. Outer space, I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty impressive. Ooh, it's black like my heart. I mean, so far so good. I mean, it really just feels like the last slime. Like barely anything sticking to me. That's great. Let's see if we can get this bad boy out. Might stand corrected. It might be a little on the sticky side, but it's definitely manageable. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of borax to it. Oh crap! It's sticking a little more to my hands. Very nice slime though. Very different, unique. I haven't seen anything like this one, so definitely creative points go to this. If I had to rate that one, I'd probably say that one's it's probably about a 7. You know, it's got to have its unique points and all. So next up on the slime review, we have, it looks to be Madison Slime Cafe, and I'd say, I mean, packaging is pretty outstanding. I mean, probably spent a ton of money on these. They look like little mini Ziploc, not Ziploc, Tupperwares, but they look to be pretty secure. And out of all of these, one looked like it might have had a little accident, but nothing catastrophic. We could definitely make do with that. So the first one I want to take a look at is going to be this blue Ice Slushy in a 4-ounce. I mean, it is definitely, it's most definitely a Ziploc Tupperware. That's pretty cool and pretty unique. Oh, yep, it's even labeled down there at the bottom for your convenience. Oh, I could already tell this one is not going to agree with me that well. So we're going to add a little bit of borax, you know, as you should, just in case. You know, it happens with the packaging and the heat and the temperature outside, and, you know, plays a big role. We get that here. I'm going to say it in every review. Go ahead and criticize my slime playing. I don't care. I love the texture of this. This is very stress relieving. You know, anybody would enjoy this right here. Do it like that, right? Is this how the Slimers do it? Oh yeah, it's nice. Look at the texture on that bad boy. I have to give this one a 7. I mean, it was very unique and different. Didn't knock my socks off, but I'd say a 7 is very appropriate. Very good slime though. So our next runner up is going to be the Royal Knight in 4 ounce. Once again, awesome packaging. This one had no accidents, which is great. I've been wrong before, but this one might not need any stuff from me. Oh, oh wow. What is this? What is this material you make this out of? This isn't regular glue, is it? I don't know. It's like maybe like a clay of some sort. Let's see what this thing's all about. Gotta make it like that. That's what the Slimers do. And they make a little... I give up. Whatever. Kind of model clay-like, you know? So I'm going to say there might be some modeling clay in here. Simple, but it honestly... Yeah, this is probably the one that I would have on me. You know, just playing with at a random time. Or I'm in traffic, I'm just doing this in traffic. This slime's going to get a 9. I like this slime a lot. So... doesn't stick at all in my hands. I mean, it all 100% came out of there first try. So that's always a win-win for me, at least. I mean, so last but not least, from G Madison Slime Cafe, you can see, I mean, it had a little accident, but the tape fully intact. I mean, it was just probably a little bit of pressure driving it or whatnot, but nothing bad at all whatsoever. That ain't nothing. See that right there? I'm afraid of playing. So I'm gonna have to add a little bit of borax just because I'm afraid. Oh, this is a very, very like silky slime. Yeah, this is some good slime. Look at that. That goop. Oh, some good stuff. You know. I mean, I'm sure by now you guys can tell that I like the more firm like, you know, clay types of slime. Just because of my preference, I have to give this slime maybe like a 5 because I can't really see myself playing with it in my hands that much because, I mean, look at this. But a little bit of borax might fix it. Unfortunately, I don't want to ruin it, and I'm not a professional, so I don't want to destroy this perfectly good slime that, you know, Courtney could play with, and it might work out a little better for her. Great slime overall. Thank you for the kit. I will definitely be playing with your token of appreciation squishy. Little waffle squishy. Awesome. Right there. Love it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this a big thumbs up for Andy helping me out with this video. And if you want to see him in more videos, also give it a thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.